Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Easy, where you will find training on different softwares. And our today's video's agenda is how to create bill in Odoo software for purchase orders. I saw many people were talking about Odoo has removed the functionality from bills create bill, but it is not removed. It is changed a little bit and it is make more hierarchy. So here is our database. This is Odoo 19. Let me show you. We will go to account setting, and here in the bottom we will see Odoo 19. It is Odoo 19 Enterprise Edition. Now we will go to purchase module. Here is our purchase module, and create a new RFQ. Click on new, select a vendor here. I'm selecting Azim, select a product. I'm selecting barcode scanner, and it's like 5 quantity. Okay, it is 250. Now I will save this and confirm the order. Now you can see here are different options. We can receive the products, upload bill, send PO, and acknowledge, print, etc. Now we will receive the product and validate it. Now I will again go back to our purchase order is 24. Now you can see there is no option to create bill. Now I will go to orders, purchase orders. Our purchase order number was 24. I will select this purchase order, and here you can find create bills button. I click on create bills, and you can see now I will provide bill date. Just save it and confirm this. And after confirming this, we will record payment, and we're going to record through bank, create payment, and now this is in payment. When we reconcile this payment, its status will change to paid. And this was the functionality of create bill in Odoo 19. Thank you so much.